Giving yourself the permission, dear Leo, to do things differently makes the world of difference. In particular for you, because it helps you access deeper parts of your creativity. And when you're in your creative zone, you're free. That's where you access your freedom. That's where you experience your freedom. That's where you feel free, right? You have certain rules that you place on yourself in your life. And these rules are not right or wrong, good or bad. They don't allow you to do things a little bit differently. And just to be clear, this is different from boundaries. Sometimes you'll create certain boundaries in your life that are really useful for you. And then, you might use those boundaries for 6 months, a year, who knows, and then move forward, you don't need them anymore. So I'm not talking about boundaries. There's a difference between the boundaries and the rules that you apply. And sometimes the rules are that, for example, you have to go to work this many hours a week to get paid this much money. That's a rule. I know that so many people will probably go, well, of course that's what you have to do. Of course you got to work this many hours to make this much money. I'm not arguing. I'm just letting the Leos know that doesn't work for you. And those are the types of rules that I'm referring to that keep pushing you back in the box. And in that box that you live in, there's no access to creativity.